Welcome to English by Movie, your place to learn English with love and joyful vibes. Let's feel the joy.
Yeah. I got scared. I thought you were gone for good.
Gone for good. Gone for good means permanently gone or lost. It suggests something or someone won't return. Use it to emphasize finality in everyday chats. After losing his phone, he thought it was gone for good. It means the phone was lost forever. She left the party and was gone for good. No goodbyes. It shows she left permanently, adding a dramatic twist.
Of you, and I'm back because of what you said. I'm actually sort of partial to you.
Partial to. Partial to means liking or favoring something or someone. It's a gentle way to show preference. Try it to sound polite yet friendly. I'm partial to coffee over tea. It shows a preference for coffee. He's partial to spicy memes, keeps him laughing. It highlights his fondness for trendy humor.
You're right. Guess everybody's desperate.
Desperate. Here, desperate means feeling extreme need or hopelessness. It reflects the player's dire situation. Use it to describe urgent or risky actions. She was desperate to finish her homework on time. It shows urgency to meet a deadline. He's desperate for likes, posting every hour. It means he's overly eager for attention.
They're still looking for you.
Stop with the act.
Stop with the act. Stop with the act means quit pretending or faking. It calls out insincerity. Use it to challenge someone's bluff. Stop with the act. I know you ate the cake. It accuses someone of hiding the truth. He stopped with the act after forgetting his lines. It shows the pretense fell apart humorously.
It doesn't matter how tough you are, you're not going to win in this place. Not on your own.
On your own. On your own means doing something alone, without help. It stresses independence or isolation. Use it to highlight solo efforts. She fixed the car on her own. It means she did it without assistance. You're on your own with that TikTok dance. It jokingly suggests no help for a tricky task.
Notice? Those jerks with masks came in and...
Jerks. Jerks is slang for rude or annoying people. It's casual and shows frustration. Use it to vent about someone's bad behavior. The jerks next door kept blasting music. It describes noisy, inconsiderate neighbors. Don't be a jerk. Share the Wi-Fi password. It calls out selfish behavior playfully.
Who died. Make one mistake out there and yours is next.
Conditional sentence. This sentence uses a condition, make one mistake, and a result, yours is next. It warns of consequences using an implied if. Use it to show cause and effect. Forget your lines and the play flops. It predicts a bad outcome from an error. Post that meme and you'll go viral. It suggests a fun result from an action.
Let's try to stay on subject. How about putting your...
Stay on the subject. Stay on the subject means to keep focused on the topic. It's handy for redirecting chats. Use it to steer conversations back on track. Let's stay on the subject of our plans. It keeps the focus on planning. Stay on the subject or we'll miss the meme trend. It urges sticking to a timely topic.
subject. How about putting your mind to what the game could be?
Putting your mind to. Putting your mind to means focusing effort on something. It encourages concentration. Use it to motivate tackling tasks. Put your mind to studying and you'll ace it. It suggests focus leads to success. She put her mind to going viral. Nailed it. It shows effort paid off trendily.
The last one that we did, I think that it'll be another old game kids played, just like I used to.
I bet you're right.
Old game kids played. This hints at Korean kids' games like dokji or gongi. They're simple yet skillful, tied to childhood culture. Explore them to connect with Korean traditions. Dakji involves flipping paper tiles, a classic Korean game. It explains a nostalgic activity.
Shortly.
Hey, what do we think? Huh? Maybe that roundabout there. Jungle gym without falling?
Players, before the second game begins, choose one of the 4 available shapes you see on the wall. Once you've chosen your shape, please stand in front of it.
Does he mean those?
So our options are circle, triangle, star, umbrella.
I don't know. They seem very familiar.
Begin shortly.
Hey, what do we think? Huh? Maybe that...
What do we think? What do we think? Asks for group opinions casually. It's great for sparking discussion. Use it to get everyone's input. What do we think about this new game? It seeks opinions on the game. What do we think? Pizza or tacos tonight? It's a fun way to choose dinner.
Think? Huh? Maybe that roundabout there.
Roundabout. Roundabout is British English for a traffic circle or playground carousel. Americans say merry-go-round for the latter. Use it to navigate English variants. The park has a fun roundabout for kids. It refers to a spinning playground ride. Exit the roundabout like a London pro. It's a British-style traffic circle.
Our umbrella.
I don't know. They seem very familiar.
Familiar. Here, familiar means recognizable or known from before. It suggests the shapes trigger a memory. Use it for things that feel known. This tune feels familiar. Heard it somewhere. It means the song rings a bell. That dance move looks familiar. Old school vibes. It connects to a past experience.
The second game is Sugar Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Honeycomb is a bee-made structure or a candy with holes. Here, it's a game treat you carve. Use it for patterns or fragile things. The honeycomb candy was tricky to eat. It describes a brittle treat. That design's like a honeycomb, full of holes. It mimics the bee structure.
Sugar Honeycomb. The shape you have chosen is the shape you must remove from the honeycomb.
Must. Must shows a rule or need you can't skip. It's stronger than should. Use it for strict instructions or duties. You must submit your homework by noon. It's a firm deadline. We must meme this. It's too good. It's a fun must-do.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead means I'm in trouble or doomed. It's dramatic and often funny. Use it to exaggerate a tough spot. I forgot my lines. I am dead on stage. It's a humorous panic. Spilled coffee on my laptop. I'm dead. It shows big trouble.
Your time to remove your shape is now up.
Formal tone. This uses a formal tone, clear and authoritative. It's typical of rules or announcements. Use it for official or serious vibes. Your session has concluded. It ends something formally. Please submit your votes now. It's a polite, firm request.
You see this, assholes? Huh?
Assholes. Assholes is strong slang for rude or mean people. It's emotional and informal. Use it when you're really mad, but sparingly. Those assholes cut me off in traffic. It vents about bad drivers. Don't be assholes, share the snacks. It's a bold, playful jab.
Huh? God damn it! What kind of sick game was that? Why did
What kind of questions something's nature, often with shock or anger. It adds emotion. Use it to react strongly. What kind of mess is this room? It shows disbelief at chaos. What kind of glitchy app is this? It's frustration with tech.
Hope you learned something cool today with English by Movie. Hit like, subscribe for more, and let's chat in the comments. Don't miss what's coming next. Bye for now.